If your website looks good but is not converting, there is a bigger problem than just the visuals. Most redesigns focus on how things look, but what really matters is how your site performs. In this video, I will show you how we redesign websites to actually increase conversions, not just get compliments. I will walk you through the exact step-by-step process we use at Webflow to turn underperforming websites into conversion machines. This is the same system we have used for SaaS companies, service businesses, and agencies. We are not just changing fonts and colors. We are digging into analytics, restructuring layouts, improving clarity, and giving users exactly what they need to take action. We have had so many clients come to us saying, our site looks fine, but we are not getting leads. Or people visit, but nobody books a call or sign up. And usually, the problem is not the product or service, it's the experience, the structure, clarity, and flow of the website. So we created a process, a checklist-driven, research-based, conversion-focused process. Let's break it down. Hey, I'm Ansif, Webflow expert and founder of Webflow. We help businesses redesign their website not just for aesthetics, but for actual business goals, leads, sales, demos, bookings. This video is a breakdown of how we do that step by step. First one, audit the current website. We don't jump into the design tools right away. We first look at the real data, Google Analytics, Hotjar, conversion tracking. What pages are people dropping off? Where are users spending the most time? Are CTS being clicked? Is the navigation is confusing? This helps us identify what's actually broken, not just what looks outdated. Second, clarify the goal of the website. Every redesign needs a clear conversion goal. Is it a lead gen or bookings or for product trials? What is the one action we want the visitors to take? This one question defines how we structure the entire site. Third, define the core message and offer. We refine the messaging first. What's your unique value proposition? Who are you talking to? What problem do you solve for them? We tighten this into clear, concise headlines, supporting copy, and CTS that guide the users naturally. Fourth, wireframe the experience. Before we think about colors or typography, we wireframe. Homepage layout like section order hero, pain points, solutions, features, proof, CTA. What needs to be above the fold? What questions does the user have as they scroll? This gives structure to the conversion journey. Fifth, redesign with purpose, not just style. Now we bring it into Figma, but every design decision ties back to strategy. CTAs are clear and visible. Sections don't overwhelm with content. Visual hierarchy helps users scan quickly. Mobile first design is prioritized. Design should make things easier to understand, not just prettier. 6. Build a new site in Webflow. We use Webflow because it's lightning fast, SEO tools are built in, our clients can update content without breaking anything, and we can deploy quickly without a dev team. Every build includes CMS setups, forms, responsiveness, and performance checks. 7th, soft launch, test hard. We don't just flip the switch. First, we launch it to the staging link, run it through the performance tools, run user testing if needed, set up goal tracking in Google Analytics or tools like PostHog. Then we go live with full backup, redirects, and SEO transfer in place. 8th, post-launch optimization. After launch, we don't walk away. We monitor for bounce rate changes, drop-offs on new pages, CTA clicks, and real user behavior. Based on this, we adjust layouts, headlines, or even CTS to keep improving results. So your website feels stuck or you are redesigning just to look fresh, pause for a second. Ask, is your current site built to convert or just to exit? And if you are ready for a redesign that's rooted in actual performance, not just good visuals, let's talk. The contact link is in the description. Drop a like if this helped clarify how real redesign works. Subscribe if you want more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.